We'll go across to Anuj now and we'll put the focus back on the market because it's a big day. Infi number, stocks already up 12%. How much more after the gap up is the question. And how will that face off against global backdrop, which is kind of bleak this morning? Anuj, good morning.
Morning, Prashant. Well, our markets are running on their own, right? And this morning, of course, you have the Infosys factor. And, market was right. We were making this point that the screen is saying something, that the market is expecting some kind of a blockbuster numbers from Infosys. And that's what Infosys delivered. Basically, that's the idea. And as I said, the street was expecting some kind of big things from Infosys, and Infosys did deliver. Screen is mostly right? And that's another clear verdict from here. Now, the stock's already up 12% this month and is at 52-week high. I tell you what, the all-time high for Infosys was 1954. It was hit in January 2022. 2.5 years have passed, and the stock, even if it hits all-time high today or in next few days, it would still have delivered zero returns. Anecdotally, Infosys doubles after hitting a 52-week low in 3 years. So let's see if the history repeats itself. It looks like it is. Nifty IT, of course, is already at all-time high. Now, there's one red flag that I want to highlight in the trade setup. This is not to say that the market will fall, but just to highlight the kind of overbought nature that the market is in right now. If you look at the index futures, FI long exposure, of course, it's been that throughout the series, but we had gone to 78% and 3 lakh contracts. We are almost now at 81% once again, and all-time high long contracts, almost 4 lakh from the FIs. Again, this is something which has not deterred the market, but is something that you want to keep at the back of your mind. Put-call ratio, 1.41 versus 1.25. Anecdotally, 1.5 is the zone in which you want to get a bit cautious, and 11 stocks now in F&O band. This is just to point out that the market's extremely overbought now. I mean, it can remain overbought for long, but just to highlight that. On the Nifty, the levels to watch 24,900 to 25,000 psychologically, and then 25,150 to 25,200 based on the options. On the Bank Nifty, it's a very tired index, and it has been for some time. This month, the Nifty is up 3.5%. The Bank Nifty is just up 0.5%, and the entire heavy lifting has been done by Nifty IT, which is up 11%. So big trade for the Bank Nifty opens only below 51,800 or above 53,000. That's my sense. Now coming to the quote of the day, and this one is very interesting. The author is unknown, but the quote is good. If we empty ourselves of yesterday's sorrows, we'll have much more room for today's joy.
Okay, I think that's a good one to keep in mind, Anuj. Thank you for that. Nigel, you were saying?